this event is geared towards raising funds for the many projects of the club, and we in Rotary, we pride ourselves with fulfilling and satisfying the needs of our community and community beyond. One of such needs is the education and empowerment of young students with computer literacy and empowerment in basic education that will help them to be able to cope with the future challenges of our country. They will be empowered and they will also be kitted with the necessary infrastructure on basic education on computer and other essential things that will make them compete favorably with others in the home. This is one of the areas of focus for Rotary, which speaks to basic education and literacy. It also speaks to another area of focus of empowerment, community economic development. With this, the club will be able to address two of our basic needs with this project. I know the club has invested so much in so many other areas, such as maternal and child health through their WASH program. They have also invested in so many other areas that has helped the community for a better society. For a club that has stayed for 40 years, on its 41 years, they have actually impacted so much life that some of them are now successful people. We have some of them in the crowd there. Some of them are lawyers, some of them are doctors that they have trained in the last 41 years. And I will just congratulate the club. I wish them the better years ahead, and I urge them to continue to do what they know how to do best. I congratulate them.